Enlace in Mexico. Founded in 1989, we provide wireless service in all 9 geographic regions of Mexico. At this time, we report that we have 60 million cellular subscribers. Also, we have a foundation in which we support students, athletes, and people who need it most.
Here in the company, I am in charge of human resources along with Diana. For us, it's very important to have a pleasant work environment and everyone can work comfortably and in harmony. For this, it's necessary to have the professional workers who know all the requirements of the company, from their work duties to their barista certification. To apply for a job, make an interview.
As my colleague Andrea said, we are looking for someone to apply for a job, specifically in their marketing department. For this job, it is necessary to have minimum 2 years of experience. The ideal candidate will be responsible of creating, marketing content, and distribute it effectively on social media. Also, they have to make sure they are managing the image of the company and ensuring that our mission and vision are correctly transmitted.
This company has an excellent work environment, good salary, job growth, personal growth, flexible hours, overtime pay, free uniform, job stability. It's one of the few companies that has constant training. It applies many challenge of how to attend adequately to customers. I know how to communicate the use of the service.
Telcel is a communication company and it ensures that workers grow in their work environment. It has a very friendly and have a flexible hours, and the employees has a good salary.
Hi, honestly, everything you say about the company is better than I expected, and I'm very interested in this job because I'm pretty sure I can grow professionally, and I think that I have the necessary